Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Ebun Osayemi. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are doing an Instagram baddie / catfish makeup tutorial. If you'd like to see how I got this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching.
Let go. Yeah.
Next, I'm using my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, of course, as you know. And it is quite weird and interesting that I'm doing Instagram baddie makeup look. Will it fit me foundation on my skin, but I'm gonna wait a little bit just to let this primer really set into my skin. But yeah, so I basically deleted all my Instagram, Facebook and whatnot because kind of just going like a spiritual cleanse and spiritual journey during quarantine. Kind of felt kind of stuck, and I wanted to kind of do away with my old life. Well, I wouldn't have to say old life, but like the old chapters in my life, because on my social medias I had people from elementary school and high school and some people from college on there that I necessarily just don't talk to anymore. And it was like, why still have that on there? You know what I mean? So if I was gonna go back to that platform again, like I would want it to be new faces and new people that you know, I want to see and want to see me. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I deleted my social media. And also, one second, I'm gonna clip my hair back. Cute. And also with just everything that is going on in the world right now too, like I was like, okay, I am so glad that I don't have social media. I have them because you do see it and you definitely do still read about them on the news and stuff. So, but like all of the graphics are no longer like there for me anymore to see. And my skin is looking so good on camera, but it absolutely isn't. It is so bad, y'all. Like I weighed myself the other day, and I'm not even gonna say the number, but let's just say I cried a little bit when I saw the number, because it's the heaviest that I have ever been in my entire life. And it is crazy because like my weight before to my weight now, especially during quarantine, I definitely gained weight during quarantine and I hate it so much. So since my birthday is next month, if you don't know, I am a July baby. I'm a July kid. But yeah, so my birthday is next month, and I'm doing a no sugar month. I'm gonna try to do a no carb also, but I love bread and I love pasta, I love rice. And I'm Nigerian, and if you're in a Nigerian household, it's just really hard to like not eat carbs. But like what one of my friends was telling me the other day is that you have to eat stuff in moderation. Like you can't always, you know, just eat stuff just to eat stuff. You feel me? Like you can't just eat just to eat. You have to eat what your body needs and what nourishes your body, and also like what, you know, is healthy for you. And it's at the point where, you know, I am still a spring chicken, but I want to be a better in shape spring chicken. So I have to take my health seriously and the things that I consume in my body a lot more seriously, and really just stop eating just to eat, because it's not good. And it showed on the scale the other day, and that is not a baddie thing at all. Okay, so I went ahead and I'm using my Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Cocoa. So I'm just putting that on my eyelids. So how do you guys feel about the Instagram baddie makeup looks and also catfishing? Well, number one, if you're catfishing in real life, it's a terrible thing. But I don't think using makeup to catfishes people. I see makeup as a way to express yourself. Makeup has a saying of being just enhancing, you know, whatever you got. Like whatever the Lord has blessed you with, you're just enhancing it just a little bit. So that's how I see makeup. But the people that say I don't wear no makeup. I don't need no makeup, you know. Or even the guys that say, oh, I like my woman all natural beauty, whatever. We don't care. We don't care. Save your 2 cents for yourself because we didn't ask you, okay? We didn't ask you at all. Because you know where your opinion can go? In the trash. Alright, and then for today's eyeshadow look, I am using the Makeup Evolution Forever Flawless Eye Palette. Eye Palette, yes. Okay, and these are the colors in this palette. It is a very pretty palette. So to start off, I'm going to be using the shade Swag right here. And speaking of Instagram baddies, like she's an Instagram queen anyways, or just like a queen in general. Do y'all listen to the new Tiana Taylor's album? Album is fire. It is literally on replay every single time. My favorite songs from that album is Let's Build, if that's even what it's called. Let me look at. She's like the first one on my recent. But let's go to the album. And yeah, Let's Build with Quavo. Yeah, such a badass song. Low Key with Erykah Badu. Yes. The intro, oh my god, the intro of the album is, I was in the shower when I was listening to her album, and I was in the shower like, what? Like, what is happening right now? Like, is this the right album? And I was like, oh my god, that's such a pretty intro. It's really pretty. And then Come Back to Me is a really good one. And then Killer with Davido, duh, really good one. One, yes, that one right there. It's a really good one also. We Got Love with Lauryn Hill. I love that she got some OGs on here. I like Booming also with Missy Elliott, but not the Future part. I'm not a Future fan. I don't like Future in general. Like, I'm the kind of person where I am able to separate the person from the music or their work in general. But just Future to me always sounds the same in all of his albums. She could have definitely gone without Future being in that one. But yeah, back to what I was saying with me gaining so much weight during quarantine and just being back home in general, y'all. Oh my god, like, it is not cute, okay? And it is not funny the amount of weight that I've gained being back home. Like, it shows on my face. And that's one thing I don't like is when I do gain weight, the number one place that it shows up is on my face, even though, you know, getting fatter. Yes, we love that. But no, everything has to get bigger now. But yeah, you know, like my birthday is coming up in like 2.5 weeks, I think. Or maybe 3 weeks. I'm not even sure. I'm not counting. But I'm spending my birthday in quarantine, of course. Okay, that's not coming out the way that I want it to come out. I cannot find any of my blushes right now. Oh! Found it. Was right in front of me the entire time. But yeah, so you know, I'm turning 23 in about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks, and you know, there are just some things that just needs to happen in the next 365 days of my life that I really need to work towards. Some life goals, some personal goals, some work goals, you feel me? Some family goals. Goals? Goals. Goals? Go. Sometimes my accent makes all the words sound the same in my ears, and I'm like going back and forth on which one makes sense. Goals. Goals. Yeah, you know, GOALS. That, yeah. That I need to just go over. And also, one thing that I do every single year is that I write down things that I want to accomplish in that year at the things that I wrote down last year and seeing if I accomplished my short-term goals and my long-term goals. And if I didn't, what can I do to make it happen? in this next 365. And then for concealer, I'm using the Tarte TAPESHAPE concealer under my eyes. I'm putting it just a little bit lower down because my under eye does tend to crease a lot. So I'm gonna put it under a little bit lower down and then blend it upwards instead this time. And then to contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Caviar. I literally forgot how good the Tarte TAPESHAPE concealer is because I haven't been using it for a couple weeks now. I've been using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16, and I also love that because it's an exact dupe to the Tarte TAPESHAPE concealer. I just forgot how good this concealer is also. And then to set that contour, I'm going in with my Morphe Bronzer in the shade Supreme. You can check out my last video where I did a review on these bronzers, and this has become my new favorite thing to use. Just gives you that nice warmth and that glow. I'm just putting this over wherever I basically just contoured on my face and bringing the shadows upwards. Really does complement my face structure a lot better than me pulling it down. Like, you don't want to drag it down, you want to pull it up. So you want to work against gravity, not with gravity. Understand? And bronzer in the shade Deep. So I'm picking up this, and this is supposed to be a bronzer, but this works better as a face powder for me. So I am able to set my face with this. And then for my highlighter, I'm using the Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Tasty Apple. And it literally looks like an apple, y'all. Like, it is the cutest thing highlighter wise. Just putting that on my nose because it's so cute. Putting that exactly where I highlighted, basically. And then I'm gonna set everything with this Morphe spray. I like to keep my lips basic usually when I'm doing a bold eye like this. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Hot Chocolate. And this is pretty much our eye catfish / Instagram baddie look. Basically, gonna go take some photos, some bomb photos #1, and just keep them on our phone and send them to our group chat and have your friends hype you up, or your family members hype you up, or if you do have social media, go ahead and post them. But yeah, this is basically the finished look, and I love when my hair is half part like this. I feel like it gives it a lot more just je ne sais quoi to it than, you know, having like a middle part that's like blowing just a little bit. But yeah, this is the end of the makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed it.